The Quran, the central religious text of Islam, contains timeless wisdom and guidance that has inspired countless individuals throughout history. Barack Obama, former President of the United States. The Quran is a book of peace, love, and compassion. It teaches us to seek knowledge, practice justice, and treat others with kindness and respect. Malala Yousafzai, Nobel Peace Prize laureate. The Quran is a noble book that offers profound insights into the nature of humanity, the universe, and our relationship with Thedavine, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates. The Quran is a source of spiritual guidance and moral teachings that have had a profound impact in the lives of millions of people around the world. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, President of Turkey. The Quran is a book that encourages dialogue, understanding, and mutual respect among different cultures and religions. Queen Rania of Jordan. The Quran serves as a reminder of the universal values of justice, compassion, and mercy that should guide our actions in the world. Tariq Ramadan, Swiss Islamic scholar. The Quran is a book that invites us to reflect upon the wonders of creation, the purpose of life, and the importance of seeking knowledge and wisdom. Yusuf Estes, American Muslim preacher. The Quran is a book that challenges us to strive for personal excellence and to contribute positively to society. Muhammad Yunus, Nobel Peace Prize laureate. The Quran's teachings of peace, love, and tolerance are essential for building bridges between cultures and promoting harmony in the world. Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of Bangladesh. The Quran is a living testament to the power of faith and the capacity of individuals to transform their lives and the world around them. Muhammad Ali, legendary boxer and humanitarian. The Quran is not only a book of religious guidance, but also a literary masterpiece. It has influenced poetry, prose, and thought for centuries. Amina Wadud, American scholar of Islam. The Quran is a source of solace and inspiration for millions of Muslims. Will find comfort and guidance in its verses. Hamza Yusuf, American Islamic scholar. The Quran is a book of miracles that continues to inspire and uplift the hearts and minds of those who engage with its teachings. Numan Ali Khan, American Muslim speaker and educator. The Quran is a spiritual compass that helps us navigate the complexities of life and find meaning and purpose in our existence. Yasmin Mogat, American writer and speaker. The Quran is a book that reminds us of our shared humanity and interconnectedness, all creation. Karen Armstrong, British author and religious scholar. The Quran is a divine revelation that transcends time and place, offering guidance and wisdom to people of all backgrounds and generations. Ingrid Mattson, Canadian Islamic scholar. The Quran is a book that challenges us to think critically, to question, and to seek knowledge in our pursuit of truth. Tariq Ramadan, Swiss Islamic scholar. The Quran is a book of spiritual nourishment that enriches the soul and brings inner peace to those who embrace its teachings. Yasser Qadi, American Muslim theologian and academic. The Quran is a treasure, trove of wisdom, and a source of moral guidance that can help us navigate the complexities of our modern world. Rania al-Abdullah, former Queen of Jordan. The Quran is a book that reminds us of the importance of justice, equality, and compassion in building a just and harmonious society. Mustafa Sarik, Grand Mufti Emeritus of Bosnia and Herzegovina.